Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to choose how you spend your time, not bound by the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job, but guided by your passions and aspirations. This isn't a distant dream. It's the essence of financial independence and early retirement, or the FIRE movement. For many 18 to 30-year-olds, financial stress is a constant companion. Student loans, credit card debts, and the escalating cost of living can make the future seem daunting. Ever feel like adulting should come with a manual? You're not alone. But what if there's a way to break free from this cycle? The FIRE movement offers a path to reclaim control over your financial destiny. Embarking on the FIRE journey involves strategic steps. Aggressive saving. Aim to save a significant portion of your income. Some target 50% or more. This requires disciplined budgeting and distinguishing between needs and wants. Investing wisely. Leverage the power of compound interest by investing early in diversified portfolios. The longer your money works for you, the greater the potential growth. Frugal living. Adopt a lifestyle that prioritizes long-term goals over short-term pleasures. This doesn't mean deprivation, but making conscious spending choices. But with such sacrifices, is the FIRE lifestyle truly attainable or even desirable? Consider the story of Grant Sabatier, who, at 24, had just $2.26 in his bank account. Through dedicated saving and investing, he amassed over $1 million and achieved financial independence by 30. While splurging on payday feels great, imagine the thrill of knowing you're set for life. The essence of FIRE isn't just about retiring early. It's about gaining the freedom to live life on your terms, pursuing passions without financial constraints. Your journey to financial independence begins with informed decisions. To delve deeper into strategies like the power of compounding, check out our next video. Remember, the path to freedom starts with a single step. Empower yourself today for a wealthier tomorrow.